either as an adjective or an adverb. Very is most useful in English language. To a high degree or an actual fact, we use very. Most interestingly, very is an intensifier, though it's grammatically correct, while overusing can show your weak word power. Avoid using very in your English, though it's a weak word as diminishes your meaning of sentences. So, better to use a strong alternative or specific language to strengthen your English. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing how to avoid using very in different sentences.
Very angry.
Furious.
Very beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Very big.
Massive.
Very boring.
Dull.
Very noisy.
Deafening.
Very poor.
Destitute.
Very cheap.
Stingy.
Very clean.
Spotless.
Very short.
Brief.
Very difficult.
Arduous.
Very dirty.
Arid.
Very quick.
Rapid.
Very bad.
Awful.
Very smart, like me.
Intelligent.
Very sad.
Sorrowful.
Very upset.
Distraught.
Very cold.
Freezing.
Very strong.
Forceful.
Very ugly.
Hideous.
Very small.
Petite.
Very funny.
Hilarious.
Very quiet.
Hushed.
Very rich.
Wealthy.
Very expensive.
Costly.
Very dirty.
Filthy.
Very foul.
Towering.
Very easy.
Effortless.
Very wet.
Swat.
Very huge.
Colossal.
Very simple.
Basic.
Very different.
Disparate.
Very serious.
Grave. Okay. I hope you found this video more useful. If you did that, give a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe this channel if you would like to learn and grow more productively and more efficiently. See you in the next one. Have a happy learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.